Alright, so these are stills that I just captured from the Cyberpunk trailer on YouTube. The picture on the left is from the original video with 360p resolution, so it's not very big, it is low resolution, and for some people it is not usable. But this one on the right is the one that has been upscaled by Nvidia's video super resolution feature. Now, from afar, you probably cannot tell difference, but they're actually different. Let me just zoom in to the face of the character. So this is the face, as you can see. The jagged edges on the sunglasses are not visible on the upscaled version. And if I zoom into, let's say, the metallic hand, you can see that this one looks sharper than the original video. And the same is true for the fabrics that are visible on the face. I think this one looks better. It has less artifacts compared to the original 360p video version. So this is a feature that you can utilize if you have an Nvidia RTX GPU. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable that so you can get high resolution video, whether it is on Netflix, YouTube, or Twitch, by just enabling this setting. And in this video in particular, we just want to focus on enabling this feature on Google Chrome. So first, on your Google Chrome browser or your Chromium-based browsers, you can open settings, and then let's navigate to system, and just make sure that the graphics acceleration is enabled. Just make sure that this feature is available and enabled. Now, after that, you can open the Nvidia app on your computer. Let me just open it. And you have to navigate to system. Oh, by the way, don't forget to make sure that you're running the latest version of the graphics driver. So on the system section, you can navigate to video. And then for the RTX video enhancements, you can enable video super resolution. I'm going to set it to be on. And for the quality, you can either select it automatically or manual. It's up to you, but in this case, I'll just use auto. And for the show status indicator on video, this is optional, but I think I'm going to enable it so I will know that if the RTX video super resolution or VSR is running. Okay, the screen might be blinking for a moment. There you go. Now, let me just try running this feature. Right now it says inactive, but as soon as you're playing a compatible video with a compatible platform, this should turn into active. Okay, so let me just minimize this, and I happen to have two videos that I set side by side. So this is a different browser. On the left side is another Chromium browser. And I'm not enabling GPU acceleration, so it's not going to be using the VSR feature from Nvidia, but this one on this browser, it has VSR on, and the hardware acceleration is basically on. Now, both are using 360p, and I'm going to play them at the same time, so you'll see the difference between before and after applying this feature. Okay, there you go. So just wait for it. Now, the RTX VSR is enabled. This is the watermark that will be visible when the feature is running or working on the video. So, again, it's kind of difficult to see it from afar because it's very subtle, and not to mention that I'm running the videos with lower resolution, actually a lower display, so it's not very visible. But when you are upscaling to, let's say, 1080p to 4K, you'll see the difference. And I guess I'm going to pause the video at some moments so I can show you the detail. Okay, so let's try. How about this one? Okay, it's more or less the same frame, but as you can see, this one is a bit blurry. Again, maybe you cannot see it, but I can tell that this one is a bit blurry. This one is sharper. It is a lot sharper than this version without RTX VSR. Let me just continue. And okay, so just look at that. Blurry, not so blurry. It's very sharp. So yeah, I can see the differences. They actually look amazing. So that's basically how you can enable the Nvidia's VSR on your computer. Just enable that feature and you can enjoy higher resolution automatically when you're watching content on Netflix, YouTube, or maybe even Twitch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.